Hello everyone, welcome to Sources classes. So in this video again we have come up with the basically the discussion towards the GI section of the general intelligence section of the paper itself. So what we'll be doing is basically we'll go through a few questions pertaining to the general intelligence section that we have seen in this year's paper, and then subsequently try to solve this question and also try and understand the approach required towards successfully tackling this kind of question. If we talk about this particular section, this is examination, then we haven't really seen any significant changes as far as the pattern and the kind of questions that have been asked in this examination. But one thing is for sure that the examination pattern or the questions that have come have a bit more complexity to them as compared to the previous years. Okay, that means the paper was a little bit more on the difficult side as far as the question solving are concerned. So with that being said, we'll be focusing on a certain kind of questions in this video, and we'll try to go about solving this so that whenever we come across this kind of question further down the line, we are easily able to solve this. So let's start off with number 7. Which of the following given responses would meaningful order of the following in ascending order? Okay. So ascending order, as in this will be in the order like from start to finish. Okay. In this case. So if we take a look, what are the words? Sending, encoding, receiving, and decoding. So this particular word, let me try and explain the same to you with the help of example. Whenever any secret agency is looking to send some vital information to their particular regiment or particular organization in terms of coding, so what they do is initially they gather some information, okay, and then what they do, they encode that particular information into a certain format. So encoding is done, and once the encoding is done, then they send that particular information through any transported, any medium, whatever that may be. And once they send this information, the information is or the code, whatever that thing is further received by the other party or the other end of their operation. They receive it and further decode it to comprehend what the message is. Okay, so this is also would follow a similar sort of pattern. So initially, what we'll be doing as far as any sending a code would be encoding the code. Okay, try and understand this. First, we will encode a certain code, that is number 2. We'll first encode, and once the encoding is done, we'll send it, or sending in this case. After encoding, we'll send the code. That code, the send code, will be then received or receiving in this case, received by the other party, and lastly, the received code will have to be decoded or decoding. So this will be the ascending order, that is 2, 1, 3 and 4. Option D will be the answer. So I hope this is clear. Initially the code has been encoded, then the code is being sent, then the code is received by the other end, and finally the encoded code is being decoded. Okay. So now let's move on to question number 8. Which one of the set of letters, when sequentially placed in the gaps in the given letter series, shall complete it? Okay, so we need to form a basically logical or a sequential form. Okay, so what we have, BC dash BCA dash CAB dash A dash CA. Okay, so we'll go one by one. Okay, let us first start off with option A. We'll start off with option A first. So if I'll place A here, I'll place B here, I'll place C here. Okay, missed a gap. Hang on. Missed a gap. BC, BCA, CAB, again AB. Okay, I missed a little portion. Okay. So okay, now let's put in all the options A, B, C, A, B, and now let's try to do it. BCA, 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 BA. Okay, this should, if had it been C, it would have formed a certain pattern. So option A actually fails in that case. So option A comes out to be wrong. We'll go and see towards the other options now. Let's go with option D. C A B A C. B C C B C A A C A B B A B A A C C A. No, it does not make sense. There's no pattern whatsoever. So B is wrong. So we'll go ahead and look at the other one. Option C. Again starts off with A, B, C, C, and B. BCA, 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 BCA. Yes, C forms a pattern, so C should probably be our answer. But again, we'll do one thing, we'll check number D as well, just to be sure, so that there is no, double answer kind of thing, no confusion with anything. But C will most probably be our answer. Let's start with C, A, B, C, and A. BCC, BCAA, C, no pattern. It fails. So option C will be the answer. So with that said, we come to the end of the video. So in case you have any kind of doubt with respect to the questions that we have solved, I suggest you go through the entire video and try and get the gist of how we came about with the solution of the same. Okay, this shouldn't really take, because we have explained in detail, so it should really be much of a trouble that way. But then again, in case you are having any kind of problem with the same, go through with the videos. Okay, so with that being said, in case you're looking to get yourself a detailed solution of the paper itself, feel free to connect with us. So what you can do is that actually you can go through the description section of the video, wherein you will find a bunch of details pertaining to getting in touch with us, like our website URL. You can use that to visit our website and connect with us. You can find our email address as well. You can mail us any query, any doubt pertaining same, or you can have our numbers as well, on which you can call, text, or WhatsApp us, and we'll get back to you on any kind of doubt for that matter. So feel free to connect with us on any of those sorts. Okay, so we'll be more than happy to help you out on those lines, and subsequently we'll be there to provide you with any kind of help, whether it's regarding your exam preparation, your subject-wise doubt, any doubt pertaining to the topic that you are studying, or anything on those lines. Feel free to connect with us. So we'll be more than happy to help you out in this regards. Okay, so in case with all that said, in case you like the video, make sure you like, share, subscribe to the channel, so that we can keep coming up with relevant content such as this further down the line as well. We'll continue our discussion on the similar sort of topics in the subsequent videos, and until then, I'm signing out. Thank you so much.